Hi guys, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a REDnote account on a phone like Android phone or iPhone. Okay, so if you are using iPhone, you just need to go to App Store and you want to download REDnote. If you are using Android phone, you just need to click on Play Store, and it's the same process for both devices. Now you just need to search for REDnote. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, just need to search here for REDnote, and you want to click on the first app. As you can see, after that you want to click on install. Okay, so after guys you click on install, as you can see, it's going to take a few seconds. So after guys the app is installed, you just need to click on open, and now you will be able to create an account. Here it says important notice, welcome to the user agreement. You just need to click here on agree. Okay, so after guys you click on agree, then you will be able to create the account. Okay, after you are guys here, now you just need to click here on login. Now they will ask you guys for your number. Okay, so you can just add here your number. If you live in United States, you want to press on +1, or if you live in another country, you can just see here the country code and select it. Okay, so you can also, for example, if you have like a WeChat, you can just use your WeChat to create an account or REDnote. Okay, you can also go back and you can like log in using other methods. Now you just need to go back and click on other login methods, and now you can use Google to create an account on a REDnote, that's what I'm going to do right now. Now just to click here on I have read and agree to the following policies, and then you want to log in or sign up using your Google. Okay, so if you don't have a Google account or you don't want to use it, you can always click on login, and you can just enter here your phone number, and here where it says country code, you just need to search here for your country code. In my case it's this. I'm going to enter it here. Now after that you want to enter here the phone number. Now after you enter the phone number, you just need to click on login. And then after that, you just need to click, like I said, you will send you like a verification code. You can just check your phone, and then you want to enter the verification like code there, and then you will be able to create an account on REDnote. Okay, that's exactly how you can. It's very easy. So they will ask you like, are you a male or female? You just need to select here your gender, and that's it. Okay, this is like a new app. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped. If it does, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.